Hi, I am Brigadier Sushil Bhasin from Mumbai. I am a master trainer, transformational coach, author, speaker, and an educator. How I wish everyone knew the power a woman has. I wish this society of ours took due cognizance of the value that a woman brings to this earth, to this society, to this planet. And I wish every woman also knew what she has in herself. It is a gross injustice to humanity if we have ignored a certain segment of our people, that is women, and not given them their due, because we are leaving a lot on the table. Every woman has a lot in her. I remember from my childhood, my mother, not very well educated, but she took responsibility of an entire family at a very early age. And then I learned my life's lessons from her. And I grew on to see more women in my life, my wife, my daughter, and I find how much they have in them, how much they sacrifice for others, how much they have to give. And somewhere, I don't think we as men respect that as much as we should. On the eve of the Women's Day, my message is: one, my dear ladies, girls, women, you are wonderful, absolutely wonderful, and you add a lot of value to us. Please continue doing that. Please get to know your inherent strengths, your dormant qualities, and please bring them up to forefront. While others may or may not respect, but you have to show yourself. When you're so good, nobody can stop noticing you. And when hundreds of women have made it to very powerful leadership positions, so can you. Have that confidence. Have that confidence. A few years back, if a girl said, I want to take up a job, it was courage. Today it is not. Everyone takes up a job. But even today, when a woman says, I want to start as an entrepreneur, I salute that woman and say, you have courage. You have the courage, you have the confidence, you have the competence. So on the eve of the Women's Day, I wish all women in this planet a wonderful Women's Day and a lovely future. Let us all live up to giving due respect and acknowledging the value of a woman. Thank you very much. All the best.